Vintage Necchi sewing machines identification and valuing. Necchi sewing machines were on par with those of every other sewing company in the world by the middle of the 20th century. The first Necchi models stunned the world with their advanced technology and outstanding craftsmanship. The Necchi sewing machine models, history, and value present a fascinating story. In 1924, Vittorio Necchi founded the nation's first sewing machine manufacturing business. Necchi models were in high demand all around the world thanks to their reputation for quality. Modern Necchi sewing machines are expensive and of great quality. This article helps you to learn more about the antiquity of Necchi sewing machines as well as how to identify and value your vintage Necchi sewing machine. What is Necchi brand? Since 2012, Janome has been the U.S. distributor of Necchi sewing machines after purchasing the Necchi brand. However, Janome no longer offers Necchi in the US as of this writing. However, if your machine is one of the models sold during their time, they are still happy to address your questions. For newer models, utilize the Contact Us page. What if the list on their website does not include your Necchi sewing machine? Necchi advises taking the older models to a nearby sewing machine shop for maintenance. History of Necchi sewing machine. The BD was the first, but it didn't take long until the BDU, BU Mira, BU Nova, and the Supernova BU appeared. All of these were built before 1950, with the exception of the Supernova, which made its debut in 1954. The Mirella series debuted in 1956, whereas the BU model was first released in 1932. For its fine craftsmanship and innovative design, this machine has gained worldwide recognition. If your Necchi sewing machine has a foot pedal, it was not manufactured prior to 1970. The first design with an electric control panel, the Logica series, was created in the 1980s. The Millipunti and Vigorelli models were developed by the business in the 1990s. The Necchi sewing machine appears to be upgraded and given new technologies every decade. However, due to their ease of use and ease of repair when something goes wrong, most people choose to sue older vintage sewing machines. The company celebrated its 100th anniversary last year, and to celebrate, a new line of sewing machines was released. These machines are meant to make stitching more enjoyable and simple. Manufacturing a vintage Necchi sewing machine. Presently, numerous manufacturers in Southeast Asia produce Necchi sewing machines on behalf of Janome. The Necchi factory in Italy produced the vintage sewing machines between 1924 and the middle of the 1960s. During a brief period, a factory in Japan produced various Necchi models produced in the 1970s and 1980s. This is not to say that Janome sewing machines or those built by Janome are subpar, though. In the sewing community, Janome has a very good reputation. But don't anticipate the same level of skill and innovation that Necchi displayed during its heyday and garnered it honors. Modern Necchi models offer good, if not extraordinary, design elements, but because to their overseas production and plastic components, they are less dependable and long-lasting than previous models. Models of vintage Necchi sewing machine. Necchi's sewing machines have seen a lot of significant technological breakthroughs throughout the years. Some notable antique sewing machine models, such as those listed here, were created as a result of these modifications. Necchi Supernova. The Necchi Supernova attracted worldwide recognition due to Sophia Loren, a model and actress. This machine, which was introduced in 1954, received recognition for its superior design. It was quick and simple to use, with a variety of zigzag and other stitching patterns, and was totally automatic. For those seeking a vintage Necchi sewing machine with a good balance of features, quality, and price, this one might be the finest. Necchi Mira BF. Mira BF, the first model in the Mira series, wasn't particularly innovative when it came to sewing at home and wasn't launched until 1950. It could, however, take pride in its sleek and robust construction. In essence, the Necchi Mira BF could only sew straight stitches, but it could do it flawlessly and more effectively than the majority of other sewing machines of the time. It helped this type become rather well known in the 1950s, and it remains a reliable vintage machine to purchase today. Necchi BU. In 1932, the company unveiled the Necchi BU. This groundbreaking machine created a stunning zigzag stitch, and the manufacturer claims it to be the first domestic zigzag machine available. This machine was well liked by home sewers who desired a machine that could perform a little bit more than the common straight stitch. It furthermore had the ability to create buttonholes and decorative stitches. Necchi Supernova Giulia 534. This specific model, which was produced from the early 1960s to the 1970s, had a groundbreaking microelectro control feature that would shut the machine off after stitching a buttonhole. It was a versatile machine and one of the better designs in Necchi's inventory because it also had insertable cams. Eventually, Supernova Giulia was just a stunning piece of machinery. This particular model was available in a lavender shade that has stood the test of time and is as stylish today as it did back in the 1960s. Necchi Esperia in cabinet. From 1959 to 1962, Necchi offered the Esperia brand. These models occasionally occur in pink or green. Although they can sew through leather and strong upholstery fabric, they only have a straight stitch option. In general, an antique sewing machine with the original cabinet is worth more than one without. But you should check to make sure you have a Necchi cabinet and not a white or cire cabinet that someone stuffed the Necchi Esperia into. Necchi Nora 514. This type was among the first sewing machines with detachable cams. The machine's versatility improved dramatically as a result of this feature, going beyond just producing straight or zigzag stitches to dozens of additional stitches. Even though the Nora 514's initial production run in the late 1950s lasted only 4 years, it is still one of the most demanded Necchi models today. It was available in gray or pink versions. Manufacturing years of Necchi's vintage sewing machine models. The Necchi's vintage sewing machine models, along with their production dates, are listed below. Since Necchi will be pleased to assist you with dating a vintage Necchi sewing machine, that is actually the simplest course of action. Give as much information as you can about the one you have, and they'll likely ask more questions to help you accurately date it in the future. Which model of vintage Necchi sewing machine is the best among all? According to what we have discovered, the Necchi Supernova from the 1950s may be the best vintage sewing machine ever made. That particular model was innovative and included features that were not found for about 10 years in sewing machines from competing manufacturers. This model was carefully constructed, and it performed as expected. Although the machine's balancing wheel is reported to move as smoothly as silk, there were a few issues that prevented it from being ideal. Its needle bar swivel was extremely delicate, and if it did not receive enough oil, it might soon freeze on you. This defect prevented this model from being the timeless classic that it may have been. Other manufacturers' needle swivels didn't require lubrication for months or longer. Identification of vintage Necchi sewing machine. Finding the serial number and contacting Necchi here to request information is the simplest approach to identify the vintage Necchi sewing machine. However, Necchi makes a point of distancing itself from earlier models, so as a fallback, you may also locate the model number on your device and compare it to the table in this page. Last but not least, joining an online discussion forum is one of the finest ways to learn more about a vintage sewing machine. People who own the same model of sewing machine frequently share instructions for lubricating it or fitting it into a sewing cabinet. In addition, if you ask nicely, some kind sewers could even share their sewing machine instructions with you for download. How to find value of my vintage Necchi sewing machine. You might be shocked to hear that a vintage Necchi sewing machine can be worth more than many vintage Singer models if you're wondering how much they're worth. Despite not being produced in the same quantity as more well-known vintage sewing machine companies, old Necchi sewing machines are known for their exceptional quality. They are therefore not all that common. While some vintage Necchi sewing machines cost as little as $50, others can worth as much as $500. The majority of vintage Necchi sewing machines, however, range in price from $100 to $300. Factors affecting the value of vintage Necchi sewing machine. An old Necchi sewing machine's value is mostly affected by the following factors. Age. The general guideline for all antique and vintage objects is that the older they are, the more valuable they seem to be. The same appears to be true for Necchi sewing machines, with vintage models typically pricing more than modern ones. Model and rarity. Some Necchi sewing machine models are a lot more difficult to find than others. While some models were only produced for a year, making them rare and difficult to find, others were produced for a decade or even two. In a nutshell, a model will cost more the rarer it is. Another feature is that each Necchi sewing machine has a unique history and heritage. Condition. An old Necchi sewing machine's condition is a significant aspect in determining its worth. The looks are still significant even though most people don't buy them to collect. Necchi sewing machines with dings, dents, and cracks will always be less expensive than those in mint condition. Functionality. An antique Necchi sewing machine's functionality also deviates from its worth. Contrary to most other vintage collectibles, Necchi sewing machines are purchased with the intention of actually using them to sew things. Accessories. The machine will be worth more if it comes with extras like extra feet, decorative stitch cams, and a Necchi sewing machine cabinet. Value of sold vintage Necchi sewing machines at eBay and other auction sites. Comparing a vintage Necchi sewing machine to recent sales of the same model in comparable condition is the easiest approach to determine how much it is worth. Vintage rare Necchi toy sewing machine made in Italy, beautiful green, sold for $103. Necchi Supernova Giulia 534 sewing machine sold for $103. Antique/vintage Necchi Lilia 513 sewing machine in cabinet sold for $50. Beautiful vintage Necchi BU Series Nova with Wonderwool zigzag sewing machine sold for $195. Vintage Necchi sewing machine Lilia 510 pink edition sold for $60. Necchi Supernova Giulia pink sewing machine sold for $263. VTG Necchi BU Nova Zig ZAG sewing machine sold for $90. Necchi sewing machine model 523 sold for $35. Vintage Necchi Nora industrial sewing machine sold for $265. Beautiful VTG Necchi Lydia 2 sewing machine sold for $210. How to find the model number on a Necchi sewing machine. You'll need to know the model number if you ever need to send your vintage Necchi sewing machine for repairs or new parts. This number distinguishes it from all previous Necchi sewing machine models and serves as its unique identification. Considering on how much of the machine's original packaging you still keep, you can look for the model number of your particular unit in a few various spots. Look at the original booklet that was included with your Necchi sewing machine. This manual's cover will have the model number printed below the Necchi mark. Search your vintage Necchi sewing machine's carrying case, if it came with one. Not every model had a hard plastic carrying case, but the ones that did had one made especially for that type of sewing machine. On the sewing machine itself, look for the identification plaque. You can find a square metal plate with the model number and serial number somewhere on the sewing machine. The location will vary depending on the model. Visit an expert with your old Necchi sewing machine. That person ought to have no trouble providing you with the model number of your Necchi sewing machine. Necchi sewing machine parts. The majority of antique Necchi models employ a Class 15 bobbin and other readily available sewing machine components that may be purchased on eBay or Etsy. Sometimes you can even locate Necchi-compatible accessories made by different manufacturers, like as Griist or Singer. Nevertheless, some types, such as the Mirella, call for a unique bobbin and other components. This implies that you might find it challenging to locate specific replacement parts for your vintage Necchi machine. Always be sure to look for parts for the precise model of your vehicle. You won't find the components designed specifically for your Necchi model by just typing in Necchi sewing machine parts, because that is too generic. The Necchi sewing machine, how to thread it. Though the thread path on some Necchi machines varies just a little, threading the majority of vintage models is very similar to threading a sewing machine right now. Nevertheless, other designs might have the spool pin where a modern machine would have it, on top of the arm, next to the needle bar, as opposed to the back or close to the hand wheel. However, before you attempt to thread your antique Necchi for the first time, make sure you have read the manual's instructions. To prevent lint buildup from getting stuck in the thread path or bobbin casing, you should clean the machine before threading. Turn the hand wheel to fully lift the needle first. Put your thread spool on the spool pin. About 6 inches of thread should come free. Run the thread over the closest thread guide, which is typically a chrome knob or hook next to the spool pin. The thread should then be lowered to wrap beneath the tension dial, wrapped again, then raised again, stopping to capture under the hook to the left of the knob. Elevate the thread take-up lever and raise the thread once more. Instead of winding the thread over the hook as you do with modern versions, you may have to insert the thread through a narrow opening in the lever with earlier models. Finally, thread the needle front to back by following the final 2 hooked thread guides all the way down to it. Necchi Sewing Machine Manual. Your vintage machine's setup and operation are covered in great detail in the Necchi sewing machine instructions. The owner's handbook should always be read before using a sewing machine, but this is especially true for Necchi models. These antique models feature some unusual components. Others, like oiling certain sections each time you sew, need special care that you might not be aware of. But what if your antique device is no longer accompanied with its dependable manual? The bad news is that it's unlikely that Necchi can provide you with a replacement manual right now. For models that are still being sold by the manufacturer, they provide fantastic support, but don't count on them for assistance if they stop doing so. Those who enjoy sewing as much as you do, however, frequently share manuals voluntarily. If you want to see if someone has previously shared a digital copy, look around sewing blogs, discussion forums, and chat rooms. Naturally, a replacement handbook is also available for purchase. Sewing machine manuals can typically be found for a reasonable price on eBay and Etsy. Where to buy vintage Necchi sewing machine online? Brick-and-mortar antique shops, thrift stores, and yard sales all sell vintage sewing machines. On eBay or Etsy, you can search for these antique machines. Hence, searching online is your best option if you need to find one immediately. The vintage Necchi sewing machine can be easily found on eBay, one of the greatest sites to find beautiful antique collectibles. It's also ideal if you're considering selling because they provide a very user-friendly e-commerce feature and can reach a sizable global audience. Since people frequently discover these different vintage Necchi swing machines in their grandparents' homes, internet marketplaces like Etsy are among the greatest places to find a ton of these pieces on sale. Other auction sites. You can buy your favorite old Necchi sewing machines from other online auction sites such as Gobid, Live Auctioneers, and Invaluable etc., including eBay, Etsy as mentioned above. When purchasing a vintage machine in a physical store, you may test it out firsthand to make sure it functions as intended. Immediately after buying your antique machine, you can take it home. Online shopping gives you access to a greater selection of antique machines. In addition, if you purchase the equipment online, some dealers provide a safety net of a return policy. The drawback of buying your machine online is that, because these vintage models might weigh a ton, you might have to pay a hefty amount for shipping. Summary. If you have recently purchased or are thinking about purchasing a vintage Necchi sewing machine, it's possible that you found several ancient Necchi sewing machines in the basement of the new mansion. Know of the situation. You may estimate the market value of vintage Necchi sewing machines by using this guide to identifying and valuing them. However, if you truly want to understand the value and worth of your Necchi sewing machines, we highly urge that you go visit a qualified appraiser.